Hey, have you been a part of Modere for many, many years and you just got your income taken away because the shutdown over the weekend? Well, you come to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a concept of what you should actually do whenever you go and you look for other opportunities because that is very important. What vehicle you use to actually build your income online, to be able to hang your hat and say that you are actually proud of the opportunity you're with, right? And I know a lot of you are searching for new opportunities and things to supplement the income that you just lost, right? So these are some of the things that I would do if I had to start over. And this is something that I've did that actually changed the way that I do marketing, right? Because I want to be in a place that's really ethical, that really cares about people, that puts affiliates first, and that does everything that we want to see in a company and nothing that we don't like, right? So here's some of the core values that the opportunity that I'm with that we go by. So we have a Freedom Crusaders Manifesto, and basically it defines the kind of people that we want to have within our opportunity, which are people that have a definite purpose and that want to become financially free, that want to have self confidence, and that have initiative in leadership, that have an imagination to visualize their purpose and, pretty much craft plans for its attainment, to have enthusiasm, to have gratitude each day, to have self-control, to guide your actions with patience and discipline, which means you don't want to make impulse decisions when you're joining something. You want to be able to save money. You want to be able to, offer more service than you're paid for, and you want to have a good personality and be an accurate thinker. So these are some of the things that you want to um, have when you're in business. And this is also things that you could apply to life as well. So you want to be able to cooperate and mastermind harmoniously with people and have tolerance and go by the golden rule, right? So the golden rule is very important and you want to be able to profit from failure. That means even in a situation like this, you can profit from the things that you've learned. And you want to go by the golden rule and understand that the only real shortcut is the long cut, right? So knowing that is going to help you in business whenever you join. And this is something that we go by, and we do hype free marketing that matters. And you want to be the change that you wish to see in the world. So these are some of the things that we go by when we work with people. And this is something that we have to have and keep and we go by whenever people sign up for the opportunity, right? So with this opportunity, you can use it to build out any kind of business you want. So if you're in network marketing, you can use it to build and grow your network marketing business. You can use it, you can use the tools itself to build any kind of business. So if you have a product that you're doing, let's say it's a digital product, or if it's something that you're building, we have a builder. And then from the builder, the reason why I like this builder as opposed to any other ones is because it's so easy to use. We have things that it's all drag and drop. So, you can edit this. This is, pretty much a template that we have. It's for a links page, right? So if you want to, brand yourself online, this is very, very easy to use. And the cool thing that I love about this is that you could go into people on your team and you could go and you could easily navigate their funnels. So if people are having trouble with their funnels, you can actually help them, or I can help them as well. Like if you sign up with me, I have a team that actually builds out stuff professionally. And the thing that's really cool about this is whenever you have your funnel, you can easily add done for you templates that are already done for you. So you just add new step down here, you add a page, and you could go in and you could pick the pages, and you can have your section for your team. If you're building a network marketing company, you could have a section with your pages right here. And with this funnel builder tool, you actually earn from it. So it's $25 per month, and it gives you a $20 per month in residual income, right? $20 per month is fine or whatever, but you also get a whole a whole training on how to actually build out your pages. So right here, we show you different things. Like we show you how to buy your domain, how to integrate it, how to get a business email, how to integrate it with your autoresponder, and then how to do the DMARC, SPF, and DKIM records. So, pretty much when you get tools and coaching, or you get tools or you get a product, they don't teach you marketing. So we teach you the marketing skill sets, and you can use this to build any kind of opportunity. So we show you how to build out your pages, how to optimize your mobile, how to create your own hero pages. Hero pages is kind of like what you see when you click on the link below this video. It will actually go to my page that's custom branded to me, and you want to be able to build out your own custom pages and things like that. And we show you how to do different things on your funnel builder very, very easily. We show you how to sell your own products, how to do upsells and downsells, how to do membership sites, things like this, all for $25 per month. You get a $20 per month in residual when people get this. And then we have coaching every single day live by Zoom. So basically, we have 6 and 7 figure earners that show you how to do your marketing every single day live by Zoom. And then back here, so we have the hands-on, then we have things that actually show you in module format too. So if you want to learn any kind of traffic strategy, you can learn it with this, right? And then we have the hands-on coaching if you ever get stuck. So we're there to help you hands-on live, and we give you support every single day. So we show you how to launch your business, how to invite people in 3 simple steps, how to get unlimited leads with Facebook, how to follow up with your leads, how to do short form video, how to do YouTube ranking, how to get more people to your YouTube videos, how to actually do Facebook, marketing on there, how to do podcasting, how to do LinkedIn. We show you all different kinds of things. Here's lives, here's blogging, here's doing a launch. And then there's page strategies as well. The page strategies are, there's a low-cost lead gen for a local business, doing solo ads, doing text message marketing, doing Facebook automation, or YouTube automation, how to do Facebook ads, how to do Facebook video ads. So there's all different kinds of strategies right here. And the part that I love about this is we have daily hands-on coaching. So we show you how to write emails every single day. We show you how to connect with people on Facebook. We show you how to rank your videos on YouTube as well, right? So you get traffic. So we show you the core strategies every single day of how to use Facebook, YouTube, and email. We do it over the shoulder in front of you. Now, normally, when you get any kind of coaching, it could cost you thousands of dollars. So you get 2 weeks free of this. When you get the funnel builder tool, you get 2 weeks free, and then it's $125 per month, and you get a $100 per month in residual income. So that means with the funnel builder tool and the coaching, you're getting $120 per month per sign up in residual income. So anybody who uses these tools in the coaching, you get $120 per month per sign up. Now, in a traditional network marketing company, your sales are going to be very, 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 very small. Your commissions upfront are going to be very, very small, and you'll make commissions from people who actually buy products or who sign up. So this will actually add to your residual income if you use these tools in the coaching. And then we have an app right here that does mindset. It's called Let's Go. So it helps you to have a daily routine down, and you can put your affirmations in there. You could put your daily routine every single day. You could journal, and it gives you a gratitude practice as well. So if you use this is $10 per month, you get a $8 per month in residual income. So you're getting $128 per month per sign up in residual income, right? So this has all this stuff. So basically, if you have a business, it doesn't matter if you're a network marketer, affiliate marketer, if you own a storefront business, it doesn't matter what kind of marketing that you do. If you get these right here, then you're able to actually earn from them, right? And you're able to get that residual income. So it doesn't matter how many people are on your team. If they're using the system and you have a system around your network marketing opportunity, then you can actually earn from your production. So you're going to actually earn from your production, and then if you plug people into the system, they're going to want the system that you build for them for the network marketing opportunity. So they're going to join you just based on the simple fact that you have a system for them that they don't have. Because most network marketing companies, they use, templates and things that everybody in the company uses. So you have thousands of people who are using the same pages and everybody's using the same material. Now you could stand out from everybody else in the opportunity and also earn residual income that way. So, if you've been looking for a place to hang your head at and to be able to have something that will stay around long term, that won't do anything wrong, that will pretty much stand the test of time, this is definitely it. Because we go off ethical marketing and principle centered leadership, right? So I definitely suggest getting started with this. And if you want to actually come on and actually see an overview, uh, click on the link below this video and it's going to take you to my page that actually we do an overview of what this actually is. So you can actually come in and you could decide before you even spend a penny if you want to get involved in it. And it's for people who really have a heart in marketing. Not everybody is ethical, not everybody does the right thing. Some people are out just for the money. And it's very important to have purpose when you're doing your marketing, I believe. I believe anybody who does marketing is in the business to help people to build and grow. And as you build and grow, you want to help others to build and grow as well. So, make sure you, click on the link below this video to get in and actually we'll have a call next Saturday. So if you get in, you'll be able to get on that call as well. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. Make sure you leave your comments below if you have questions or concerns. Leave them below this video. And if you want to get into my free Facebook group, I have a link in the description for that as well below this video. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe so that way you will see anytime that I upload a new video. All right, talk to you soon and bye for now.